beach, but it's just so amazing with the blue skies, the sound of the sea. I even saw some turtles, you know? Turtles. And the best part, I have a 5-star chef cooking for me. 5-star chef. Well, as you can see, I'm still at home. I'm not out in the beach anywhere, guys. Don't worry. But jokes aside, we should really just stay at home in order to combat this virus, and let's get through this together. And while we're here, why not we do some summer makeup? Because, well, Malaysia is so hot and everything. Of course, since you're going to be out in the sun, you need a lot of SPF, and you can use this. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Day Cream with 35 SPF. You need to protect your skin, you know. And now we'll apply foundation. The first step in every summer look to get that healthy looking skin that glows in the sun. This is your choice. When it comes to foundation, I just generally use my fingers to dab it all over my face, and I'm using my favorite Breena beauty sponge of all time to blend the rest of my face. So this side is when I don't have enough sleep, and this side is when I have 12 hours of sleep. Now, although I mentioned the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Caramel is not suitable for a contour color, I think it'll be suitable to get that sun-kissed bronzed look for summer that I'm trying to achieve right now, since it has a little bit of a yellow undertone. So let's move on to concealing all of my sadness and all of my grief and regrets in life using a concealer. For concealer, what I like to do is just use it to cover up the redness underneath my eyes. Don't you think I look like I drink a lot of water, I have my life together, and I have enough sleep every day? You know, we always associate summer with looking hot, going to the beach, getting tan, but we always forget about one thing, which is looking sweaty. So I'll be achieving that sweaty look with the Lanna Cosmetic Glow Getter Highlighter. I'm going to put the highlighter along my nose, the side of my cheeks, and above my cupid's bow. There! All sweaty! Now let's move on to the next step, which is eyebrows. Now we want eyebrows that look like they disappeared because we were sweating too much. So, when it comes to drawing your eyebrows for this look, don't take it too seriously. See this bald spot? Don't worry about it. Just continue doing what you're doing. You're doing great. And again, I'm using my Althea Brow Wow eyebrow pencil to draw my eyebrows. You don't want your makeup melting in the sun now, do you? So, in order to combat that, powder the shit out of your face. You know what? I think I didn't even need to put highlighter to make myself look sweaty, because I'm already sweating in my own room. For eyeshadow, I want it to match my outfit, which is yellow. So I'm going to be using Colourpop's Aha Honey palette. So the first shade I'm going to use is Sweet Spot, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids to make it like a nice transition color. Look at how pigmented this is. For the second shade, I'm going to use the color Oh Behave. With this shade, I'm just going to put it in the inner parts of my eyes to make it look rounder. Next, I'm using Totally Buggin and putting it at the outer edge of my eyes in order to enhance my eye shape. Because I really need more drama, I'm using Buzzkill to make my eyeshadow look even bolder. Going back to the shade Sweet Spot to blend out the rest. Using a tiny brush, I'm using Sweet Spot again and applying it underneath my eyes. Using back the shade Totally Buggin, I'm putting it from the middle of my eyes to the outer edge. With the last shade of Buzzkill, just put a little dab at the outer edge of your eyes. Because sun is such a huge inspiration to all of us for the summer, I'm going to use this shade Sunburst in the inner parts to make my eyes pop a bit more. Okay, I want to apply glitter because I cannot get enough of glitter. I don't want to make the same mistake in my previous video, which is applying glitter and then only applying mascara. Trust me, it's the worst experience you'll ever have because when I tried to curl my lashes, there was glitter everywhere. So do your mascara first, then only apply your glitter. You want your lashes to always look magnificent, even if you're going to the beach, so make sure you use a waterproof mascara. I personally recommend the Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. Amazing, does not budge at all, and it's very difficult to remove. But I guess that's the whole point, right? Do any of you play video games? Because currently my boyfriend is playing The Witcher, and there's one theme song that goes something like toss a coin to your Witcher, and it's stuck in my head. While waiting for my mascara to dry so that I can put on glitter and finally draw my eyeliner, let's just move on to blush. I'm going to use this For You To You Heart Me blush in the shade M1 Soulmate. Now the reason why I'm holding this very delicately is because the inside is crushed. But the color is a very nice orange, and since we're doing a summer makeup look, we're supposed to look tan, we're supposed to look sunburned. And do you know what's the color of sunburned skin? Orange color. Focus more on the highest point of your cheek, which is kind of directly below your eye, because that part of your skin is mostly exposed to the sun. Don't forget to apply it to the bridge of your nose and also the tip as well. Moving on to eyeliner, I'll just be drawing it a little bit longer than my normal eye shape. One tip for those with epicantic eyelids like me, just tightline your eyeliner. You don't have to draw over your lash line, because if you do that, I realized that my eyelids look smaller compared to normal, and obviously you want your eyes to look big, not small. I'm seriously sweating so hard in my room. Oh, why is Malaysia so hot? Okay, auntie hairstyle. So now I can finally put glitter on my eyelids. So let's use this. Oh yes! Oh my god. Love it, love it, love it. Doesn't it remind you of a sunset or a sunrise? Like that golden, orangey glow. Oh, so gorgeous, I cannot. And the last step for this summer makeup look is the lips. I'm going to be using my favorite lipstick of all time, which is the For You To lipstick. And it's in the shade 16 My Best Friend. And I think it will match this orange blush perfectly. Now lips are never complete if it doesn't look like it's been drinking something. So I'm going to make my lips look wet using lip gloss. This is the same lip gloss from my eyeliner, which is Kiss Me, and this shade is in 01, and it seems to have a bit of a pinkish tone to it. You know what? Looking at my eyeshadow, my blush and my lips, I feel like there's something a little bit off. So I'm going to add a little bit of my blush color to my eyeshadow. It really feels like my whole look is now blending together as one, just like the sun, the sea, the skies, the beach. They're all representing summer. And with this whole complete look, here's my summer look. Now I just need to do my hair to make it look even more summery, so in 3, 2, 1, I'm back! I know you're thinking, who on earth would accessorize this much on the beach in summer? Well, me, obviously. Okay, in all seriousness, this is my complete look, and I look sunburned as hell, but my eye makeup is fly. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I really had a lot of fun making it. If you're not into a heavy makeup look like this, you can actually watch Peachies' minimalistic makeup tutorial coming up soon. So stay tuned to it, and I'll see you in the next video if there's no extension to the RMO. Bye! The Brow Wow, Althea Eyebrow Wow. Althea Eyebrow Brow Wow pencil.